So first example here, remember we're only looking at the yellow edges for this step. So we're only looking at the edges, which is here, 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 and here. Now, whatever these pieces are, whatever the corners are, it doesn't matter right now. We're only looking at the edges. So if we look at the edges, we see that this is yellow and this is yellow. They sort of make this angle right here. So we know that this is the angled case. So let's see, if it was right here, right, what I would do is I would turn the upper face so that the angle is on, the top and the left. We want them to be in this position. So first move you would do is F. And F move, we move the front layer, right? The layer that is facing us. We don't want to do this because it's moving the upper layer. What we want to do is move the front layer. So what you would do for F is you take your right hand, reposition it like this, and then press down, turn with your index finger like this. Now you just turn the front layer clockwise. And now you would do the classic 4 moves. U, R, U prime, R prime. And now you need to do an F prime, which is to turn the front layer counterclockwise. So what you would do here is you would take your right hand, put your thumb down here, and then turn it counterclockwise like this. Now what you don't want to do is do this, right? Because that is turning the right layer. You don't want to do this. You want to take your right thumb and turn the front layer counterclockwise. And now you have a cross. Next, we're gonna go on to the second case. So as always, we focus on the edges. And we see that this one is yellow and this one is yellow. They make sort of a line here. Now, if it was in this position, what I would do is I would turn it so that the line is horizontal. We want them to be in this position, not this. So as always, we would do F first, which is to regroup your right hand right here and turn with your index finger. So now we have turned the front face 90 degrees clockwise. And for the line case, you would do the 4 move sequence twice. So U, R, U prime, R prime. U, R, U prime, R prime. Now we need to do F prime, which is to turn the front layer counterclockwise. So you use your right thumb, put it underneath here, and turn the front layer counterclockwise. Now you have a yellow cross. So the third example here, if we look at the upper face, the yellow face, we see that none of the 4 edges are yellow. So this is a dot case, which is, the only yellow thing is the yellow center. This is the dot case. So what we would do here is we would do the moves we do for the angled case, which is F first, right? Regroup your hand, turn the front layer clockwise, and then do the 4 move sequence. U, R, U prime, R prime. And use your right thumb to do F prime. And now what we see here is there's a line case here, right? This edge is yellow, this edge is yellow. There's a line. So we do what we would do for a line case, which is to turn the upper face so that the line is horizontal here. And then we do F, and then the 4 move sequence twice. U, R, U prime, R prime. U, R, U prime, R prime. Now we want to do F prime, so we use our right thumb, put it down here, turn the front layer counterclockwise. And now we have a yellow cross.